Zoop. Let's zoom in into a cell with your boy Nickel. What up, SciFam? Here we go. DNA in a cell. So title your page, DNA in a cell, and also get this handout. Don't draw this. You can pick this up in the classroom. Find it in the extras bin. And where I left you last time is that we were drawing this structure here. Do you remember what it was called? Yeah, it's a chromosome. So that left side is one sister chromatid. This other right side is another sister chromatid. Remember, those are exact copies of each other. These are the telomeres. And this is the centromere. And each of these are our sister chromatids. Well, if we zoom on in then to that chromosome, you can see all of this stuff. And if you remember, this is what we call chromatin. And I can prove that because if we keep following it along, you see it's this thread-like structure. And if we zoom in even further, all of this stuff, all of this blue here is all DNA that's wrapped around these spheres. And these pink spheres here, these are our histone proteins. So make sure you label each of these things on your page. Now, if we further unravel this, we can find our DNA structure. So if we have our double helix, remember we have this blue piece and this blue piece, that's our backbone of our DNA. These pieces in between that meet here in the middle, these are our DNA bases, and you can see there's 4 different colors because remember we have 4 different bases. So if we said the green is A, then the yellow would have to be T. The green is A, the yellow has to be T. Every time there's green, it's connected to yellow. Every time there's green, it's connected to yellow. Every time there's an adenine, it's connected to a thymine. Every time there's an adenine, it's connected to a thymine. Same thing's true with purple. Let's say purple is C, then that means that this reddish color is G. So every time you see purple, it's a cytosine. Every time it's this reddish color, it is a guanine. Cytosine, guanine, and so on. And so this DNA molecule here is double helical, and it's wrapped around histone proteins. As you can see here, it's wrapped around these histone proteins several times into making this structure here. And this thread-like structure is our chromatin. Chromatin is then wrapped up even more to make a chromosome. So let's also label our chromosome. Well, inside of a cell, you will find DNA usually in the chromatin state. But before mitosis or meiosis, then that chromatin organizes to form a chromosome so it doesn't leave any of its friends behind. You don't want to leave little pieces of DNA. That's really important stuff. So it organizes the chromosome only during mitosis and meiosis. So mark up your page as I did, and yeah, now you know. Now you can see what this actually looks like, what histone proteins look like, and why chromosomes form. That is how DNA is organized in a cell. Yay!